I'm linking down below a Google Doc in which I've been collecting resources for the past few days, wherein you can go and you can sign petitions, you can donate, you can learn about things that I'm going to talk about in this video. So yeah, that will be linked in the description box below, and please share that with your friends. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is actually going to be really different. I was supposed to post a fashion related video today, but the thing is that everything that's been going on in our country and around the world has left me thinking that posting something like that would be really insensitive. And so instead, today I'm going to acknowledge everything that's been going on and how you can help improve the situation instead of worsening it, because the only way we can make things better or make the changes that we want to see is to actually help out. I think I'd like to start off by saying that this entire week, like, even though I haven't been subject to any of these things that have happened, like, I haven't experienced them firsthand, just seeing videos and posts on social media every day has just left me really overwhelmed this week. And so I've just been trying to come up with ways in which we all can help, and so this video is my answer to that. This is what I came up with. I think it will be easier to talk about everything that we can do and how we can help in this video, because if I have a platform such as YouTube or even Instagram, I would like to use it to just tell people how they can help in these sort of situations. So before I start, I would just like to say that, guys, please don't spread misinformation. It doesn't help anyone. I shouldn't be explaining this because it just, again, it worsens the problem. It doesn't improve the situation. What's the point of misinformation anyway, right? So just fact check things before you talk about them or before you tell other people about them. The second thing that I'd like to say is, please refrain from posting memes or any posts that make fun of things that are going on, because that's just really inhuman and it devalues everything that people are fighting for, especially in the US. They've been fighting for the for elevating the charges of Derek Chauvin, and also um also arresting the other officers, and that has finally happened. So when somebody posts a meme or something that makes fun of said protests, it actually devalues the protests and everything that they were fighting for. Regardless of just the US, even things that are happening in India, please do not post memes. Okay, it's just, I shouldn't have to explain this. It's just not a very nice thing to do. Okay, the first thing I want to speak about is the Amphan cyclone. If you guys aren't aware, which you should be, there was a cyclone in West Bengal and parts of Bangladesh earlier this week, if I'm not wrong, and a lot of people's houses were damaged, and unfortunately now a lot of them would need help rebuilding their lives. So there are a lot of donation pages that I will link in the Google Doc for you to go and donate and help them out financially. The second thing that I want to speak about is justice for Soumya the elephant. So if I'm not wrong, a day or two ago there was an elephant who was fed a pineapple that contained firecrackers inside, and she was pregnant, and I don't know who fed this to her or why they thought it was okay to do so, but they did, and it exploded inside her, killing not only her child but also her herself. Innocent animal killings like this have been happening for really long, and it's really inhuman. Nobody should have to explain why it's bad to do something like that to an animal or why it's inhuman or immoral, but it's unfortunate that somebody even did that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link all the petition pages in the Google Doc, and also Menaka Gandhi was kind enough to give the details of some of the wildlife department heads of Kerala and the country as well. If I'm not wrong, I'm not sure, please correct me if I'm wrong. And so what I've done is I've gone ahead and I have written down their names and their email addresses in the Google Doc, and I've also linked a template of the mail that you can send. So all you have to do is copy down the text and the link and just mail it to them, because that would help so much. The next thing I want to talk about are all the protests going on in the US. All the Black Lives Matter protests that are going on in the US. Racism is a problem that has been going on in the US for so long, and right now African American people in the US need our support. So please go ahead and sign the petitions, donate to all the funds, and read the books, read the articles, watch the movies, listen to the podcast, because at the end of the day you're only going to learn more, and in that way you can like at least prevent propagating racism against African American people in India in your own capacity. There's only so much that we can do, like sitting on the other side of the planet, so please just help however you can. Don't just post a black square and leave it at that, because that doesn't help anyone. That was supposed to be, Blackout Tuesday was supposed to be a day when we learned about what is going on and we took a step back to understand why this movement is so important. So if you haven't already, please just take the time to read one article a day, or just do anything to help, please. And while we're talking about like racism in the US, it's also very important to acknowledge racism in our country as well, because it is there just in the form of colorism and casteism. So I have linked down videos and articles that you can read and watch in the Google Doc as well, so that at least we can prevent racism from prevailing to a much higher extent in our country, because it does exist. There's only so much you can ignore it, okay? So I'm not saying that everyone ignores it. Again, I know there are people who are fighting for it, fighting against it every day. So let's just be more educated about what we're saying and what we're doing, and how we can educate our friends and family as well. So please share this video and the document as well, more important than the video, so that everyone has the resources to help out, okay? That's pretty much all I had to say for today's video, and yeah, thank you for watching.